Right, let's take this camera into the garden and see what the microphone performance is like out in the wind, because I haven't done that yet. Hopefully it works alright. ND on. So yes, outside in the garden with my TRV-890 with the new mics plugged in, one new old mics, salvaged from the PD100 some months ago, knowing one day that I would try to do exactly what I've done here, which is put them into a camera that is not operating correctly. My God, my voice sounds a lot clearer out here. And the wind mic seems to be doing its thing. Not as much of that in there now. It's basically the bare mics are plugged into this plastic housing, and then the shield's on the front, well, loosely slid in. It doesn't fall out, so yeah. You can hear the birds clearly. It's MD off now. Huge difference it's made. Just shows how bad the old mics were, really. These headphones are very good quality. They're like £300 headphones, so should have looked long ago. P7s, Bowles & Wilkinson, or however you pronounce it. Got them back in my old retail job as a return thing marked down, so I didn't pay anything like that for them, but still, we have very high quality headphones. Right, I think that's a good test. Let's get this recorded onto the computer via the FireWire connection. Goodbye.